Okay, here is the video guide for lesson 131, a short video guide because the lesson itself is not very long. There's two activities, two separate Desmos activities that I've combined into this one, so this is really just a guide to show you how I want you to work through it. This lesson focuses on the attributes and characteristics of shapes and organizing shapes by those to see what makes those shapes unique. You'll see some shapes that we created in 125 when we reflected and rotated those triangles. And again, you'll see some of those characteristics like in 126 with the different types of symmetry. All right, we'll move right into it. This is the shape bucket, a pretty fun problem. What I need you to do is click on the link for your hour. So say that you are in third hour. You'll click on the third hour link. Let's pretend that I am in third hour. So I click the link, and it brings up another Desmos activity. This is like what I was saying. I had to combine two of them, and this is the way I decided to do it. You'll just continue the activity. You should say your name and go, and you'll start the other activity here. Okay. Now the goal is these are composite shapes, and that's what these are over here. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to build those composite shapes with these shapes that they are saying are in the shape bucket. So you can drag these shapes around, and you can start to try to build your shape. And I'm going to let you play around with that. It's actually a pretty fun activity. When you get it, when you get the shape built, you can move on to the next one. All right. Now, so some of them are trickier than others. If you need help on one, just email me and let me know, and I can make a video guide for it. Okay. Once you finish building all the shapes, you can come back to your original Desmos activity and then move on from there. And then it's going to be starting activity number 2, or the second problem. And this is going to be sorting shapes using Venn diagrams. For those that don't know what a Venn diagram is, there's a little explanation here for you. Then what you're going to do is, you can zoom in a little bit so you can read it. You're going to try to separate shapes into has at least one pair of parallel sides, has at least two sides of equal length, and then a Venn diagram puts everything in the middle. So if it just has at least one pair of parallel sides, boom, you're putting it in here. Okay? If it has both of these, you put it in the middle. Okay? So a good example would be a rectangle going in the middle. Because a rectangle has the one pair, really it has two pairs of parallel sides, and it has at least two sides of equal length. And so it goes right in the middle there. Okay? Again, you're going to work through these, try to separate them the best you can. It's just really going to work your skills of, can I organize, can I see what's unique about these shapes? Again, if you need help on it, just let me know. We have a couple of them, so then that's the first one. You get another one where it has a right angle, has only 3 sides, and so you could bring this one here, just a isosceles triangle, into the left side because it has 3 sides, but it does not have a right angle. And so you could have this one here go in the middle, all right? And you're just going to sort it again to what you need, to what you think goes where. And not every shape, and that goes for the one before this too, not every shape needs to be placed on there. And so you'll have some shapes stay down in the shape bucket. And then you'll get to the last one here. And all I'm doing here is zooming in and out so you can read it or drag it however fits your liking. And you'll just have one more, has reflection symmetry, has 180-degree rotation symmetry, making that connection from lesson 126. And again, you're just dragging the shapes in. Not every shape needs to go in. Make sure that you reach out and ask for help. I can easily make videos sorting some of them if you want to get started. Or having trouble getting started, so please don't just leave them blank. If you need help, reach out and ask.